this the most expensive in your store?
No, that's not the most expensive. 4.2.
This one is 4.2.
Yeah.
This is made of net. Basket. 4,200. Interesting. That's the most expensive.
Yeah.
How much is it?
1.9.
I would have thought it would be a shoe or something, not trainer.
Leather, sandalwood. They pay 56. How much?
How much is this?
It's 395 for 100 ml. We've got 56 stars. 56 stands for 56% oil based. So it's very strong oil based.
Let me see how long this will last. Yeah?
So yeah,
Thank you.
just let me stop it. I'm not looking at the video in the side, please.
Oh, I've done it several times.
Yeah,
It's a promotion of
the role of Selfridges, I'm not to do video in the side.
anywhere here.
Yeah, anywhere. Yeah, please, thanks.
You sure?
1 billion%.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Excuse me. How much is this?
350.
Can I see? Is this real down?
Almost.
Interesting. And this
This one is 1,460.
1,460. Okay. That's very nice. I thought it was gonna. This one is what I like. I thought it was gonna be like
It's not the same collection,
Yeah,
but we're having a new collection on 21st this month.
21st.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Yeah. Very, very.
All year round.
Yes.
So especially this colors. We don't have sales. Unfortunately, yeah.
Gucci doesn't have do sales just like Louis Vuitton.
Yeah, basically.
Goodness.
That's a lifetime, so
Yeah, it lasts. No, it doesn't.
it doesn't.
You know, it doesn't last a lifetime. Yeah, it lasts a long time, but not a lifetime.
After sales, it's like a issue or something. It might be able to do something. This is the first pair of shoes that he's introduced. So we're gonna start getting all his collection now in April, May.
Well,
This is the first
what's the price?
790.
This is 790.
Yeah, same for this one.
This is 790, and these ones are all 790.
And these are actually 790 as well. Had them in a while for a sunny day like today. And the ones that sell quite well are this ones.
Yeah, that's very nice.
They sell quite well. And those are priced at 645.
Well, that one.
The ones at the far end. Yes.
Okay, that one. Okay. Thank
And
you so
they're
much.
close, so
Fantastic. Nice one here. Thank you. How much did you say? How much is this?
1,050.
What's this price?
230.
230.
230.
Okay. Thank you. Let me just quickly look around.
It's 1,490.
Do you ever go on sale?
Sales, the next sale will be summer sale, which will be in June. These pieces generally don't make it.
And this is definitely summer. Excuse me, how much is this?
This one is freshly item, 825.
825, okay. Get the price of this.
1,000.
Okay. And that one?
149.
It's not very far off. Size comparison is very. There's a massive difference, but what's the most expensive thing in here?
The most expensive bag here? The bag or
The
everything?
most expensive item.
I need to check. 1 second. This stuff.
Yeah.
This one.
That's one of the good.
How much is it?
1.9.
That's the most expensive.
Yeah.
I would have thought it would be a shoe or something, not trainers. Is it a new edition or something?
Yeah, this is the new collection. Oh, this came out like 3 months ago.
Okay.
Yeah. The style came out last year, end of last year.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thanks very much. I'll be...
If you want slightly smaller, we have the Via as well.
Well, it's not the same.
It's not the
thing as this.
exact same handbag as
Yeah.
this only comes in this size.
Right.
So the ones that we can show you are similar
Yeah.
versions,
But not
but
exactly
not
this.
exactly with the same
And this
quilting, the
is
same
3,000.
600.
And that one?
Also offer something like this.
This one is 2745. 2.7, yeah.
That might be too big. I'm just trying to...
And also you can change the shape of it by connecting the strings, and therefore you're gonna get a hobo bag, which you can, it's a very nice bag. The leather is very durable, it's deer skin, it's fully grain leather. So even when you're touching it, it's a very buttery feeling, but very thick, very durable. You see? So depends how many things you like to wear with you, but you already have another bag, you see? So you have 2 in 1.
Is that, sorry?
You have 2 in 1.
Yeah, you have
so
2 in
you
1.
wear
Yeah,
it
yeah,
in
yeah.
different ways.
Is this the most expensive in your store?
That's more expensive.
Is this the most expensive item in your store, this one?
No, that's not the most expensive.
Which one's it?
That will be 4.2.
This one is 4.2. I would have preferred this one.
So that's one of the type of bag.
Sorry?
That's for holidays.
So, but why 4.2 though? My goodness. Wow. 4,200.
4,200.
Interesting. Okay. What's this made of?
Raffia.
Raffia.
Natural straws.
Straws.
Has been craftsmanship in Madagascar.
Is this gold? Is this plated? Plated?
No, it's not gold. It's not.
It's just
gold.
yeah. Okay.